Gold and silver were heavy and costly to transport. It could even cost lives. So naturally, to remedy this, governments at the time began to issue banknotes that are equal to the amount of gold required for the transaction, while gold was stored in banks. But there was still a problem. Gold was costly to transport between different banks and countries. So eventually, the money that we know today, fiat, was created. New notes decorated by the faces of the dead were issued by banks and universally accepted within a certain region or territory. 1 unit of fiat currency was equal to a measure of gold decided by the government responsible for that region or territory. But even then, there were problems. Trading between countries were costly due to the transportation of gold. When fiat was used for trade among countries, the equivalent of gold would have to be transported to the country or region that was being paid. And also, countries would manipulate the value of their currency and how much gold each unit is equivalent to just to make a profit. And this would lead to Bretton Woods.